guys. Well, officially, first long weekend after lockdown. It's about freaking time we get out of here. So, going to be a quick walk around just to show you a little of our latest build on our tray back. Not very common in South Africa, but it works for me, and I just can't imagine doing a vehicle in any other way, especially for camping. So what we have here, as you can see, a hell of a lot of space. Still got to pack a few more things. Got our inverter system, battery box, fridge, water tank, solar panels, something inside there we don't know yet, and a little box for our drones and our camera equipment, close to our charging systems. Let's go around to the other side. Okay, on this side of the build we have our fridge, our drop down fridge slide, my microwave. Laugh, but sometimes you need it. Our little quick box, this is the quick box for coffee, breakfast, things like that. And our little slider for our stove. The stove is in there, comes out on there for a good cup of coffee. And yeah, as we get through the weekend, I'll be taking some more footage, show you what different setups work like, or when they're opened up. My electrics have been fitted, so I'm quite chuffed about that. And our recovery gear, all our recovery gear goes inside there. Box on the other side, all my tools, my jack is in here. So it's actually opened up an exceptional amount of space. It allows me to camp without being cramped, let's put it that way. Thanks to Ricky from Urban Skies for our awesome branding, and to all those out there that are camping this weekend that are on hire our trailers, hope you have a great one.